Hi, I'm Mitchell with TRUFAST Walls, and today I want to talk to you about our Thermal-Grip Insulation Pinner Tools. We have two different models, the IP40D and the IP50D. As you can see here, each tool comes with a hard shell plastic case. It's going to come with two quick charge lithium-ion batteries, a charger. It'll also come with eye protection and ear protection that should be used when installing anchors with these tools. First, we're going to talk about the IP40D tool. This tool should be used into low and mid-range masonry or concrete, and can also be used into CMU wall surfaces. In order to install the anchors, I'll show you how to assemble the tool first. So first thing, you're going to want to slide the nose stem into the end of the tool like so. You'll pull down on this piece here, slide the nose stem in. To ensure that it's tight, you can pull it and make sure it doesn't come out. Next, you'll insert the fuel cell. You'll drop down this little door on the back of the tool. You'll slide the fuel cell into there, assuring that this lines up inside the tool, and then close the cover back up on the tool. Next, you're going to want to insert one of our quick charge lithium-ion batteries. Prior to starting any job, you'll want to make sure that the battery is fully charged. To insert the battery, you'll slide it in the back here. The battery will have an indicator light on this side showing the charge level of the battery. Once the fuel cell is inserted and the battery is charged, to shoot in the anchor, you'll simply slide the anchor onto the stem of the tool, insert the anchor into the insulation, press it against the substrate, and pull the trigger, making sure that the nose is depressed on the tool. One thing to note, the IP40D can shoot up to 4-inch insulation anchors. Next, we'll look at the IP50D tool. The IP50D tool would be for mid to high range PSI masonry or concrete applications and should not be used on CMU walls. To assemble the IP50D, first you're going to want to put the nose stem in. To do so, you'll unthread the nut on the end of the tool. Once the nut is unthreaded from the end of the tool, you'll slide the stem onto the end, ensuring it lines up, and thread the nut back on there, ensuring that it's tight so that the nose stem can't pull out the end. Next, similar, you'll insert the fuel cell. This will use the same fuel cell as the IP40D tool. This will also use the same 1-hour quick charge lithium-ion battery. You'll slide that in the tool, ensuring that it clicks into place. Again, battery should be charged prior to starting your job. Once the fuel cell is in and once the battery is in, to shoot in the anchor, you'll simply slide the anchor onto the end of the nose stem, depress it into the insulation against the substrate, pull the trigger to shoot. The IP50D can shoot up to 6-inch insulation anchors. Now let's look at the insulation anchor. These are available from 1 inch up to 6 inches long, all plastic design to slide onto the stem of the tool, and it has a 2¼ inch head to provide superior holding strength. Thank you for watching this video and learning more about our tools. For more information, you can visit TRUFASTWalls.com or thermalgriptools.com.